Right, good morning. Got the new tin of pellets, Rangemaster Sovereigns, and the 1589 grain. So I start the it's just stopped raining, so yeah, a little bit windy, but not much. Right, okay, let's just get this on our target. The target I've got down there, Steve at Yorkshire Guns sent me, and so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for the cross. I'll go for this cross here on the right hand side of the man, and we'll see if I need adjusting. Right, okay. Oh. Safety. Now this has got a full charger here, so now yesterday when I shot the first pellet with the wasp, it went to the right high, and now we're going to the left high, but very close, and that's hit the red cross. So we'll go for the next red cross just there, and that one's shot high. It's actually the same as the first pellet, and it's in the same pellet hole. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop the video and I'm going to bring that up to those two pellets. Right, okay, well no, not, hang on. Right, okay, so I'm going to come up. And I'm going to go in between the two pellets. So I'm going to come left. Right, okay, and I've saved that. So I'm on profile B, X is 102 and Y is 10. Right, okay. So what have I taken? 5 shots or 4 shots, I'm not quite sure. So we go for the cross again. And that looks very, very good. Right, okay, so we go for the splatter target. Oh, start recording. I just shot the red cross, so now we're going to go for the splatter target. Let's clip the red bullseye. I'm not quite sure if that's gone in the same hole. Now that one shot a bit low, I think. They look very, very good. Yeah, it looks very, very good. What I'm seeing, right? That's 10 shots. So maybe the Rangemaster Sovereigns could be the pellet. So we go for that white, the red crosshair, the bullseye. Yeah, that's very good, isn't it? This is the same pellet hole. One of the viewers, I can't remember who it was, said about these Rangemasters. And he said his friend uses them all the time and it just goes as the bullseye. And as you can see how small that group is. I think I paid £21 for 500. And the way they're shooting is very, very good. No pellet come out of that. Oh right, okay, that was the last shot. This is the last magazine now. But that group, very good. Right, okay, so let's try the 6mm hole. Well, that clipped because that moved that red disc. Oh, we're upside down. Yeah, I'm having trouble just lately to go for the red disc. I think the little man has got stuck again. The hole's open, but his nuts are not down. I think that was the last shot. Yeah. Well, I'm well pleased with the way it's shooting. Right, we'll go through it with the single loader. And I think we'll take another 10 shots. That will make 40. So it's going to be another quick video. Right, so we'll go for the head. Just under. Yeah. Yeah, they seem to be a very good pellet. And they're all going through that small hole at the moment. Right, okay, last two pellets. Last one, and that'll be a 10-shot group. And that's very similar to that 10-shot group there. Very good. We'll take another 10-shot group, and this will be the last. So it's 6. Right, okay. Yeah, seems to be a very, very good pellet. Well pleased with that. So we'll take one more 10-shot group. We'll go for this one here. As you can see, my cheek is not on the cheek piece. That one shot a little bit low. But they're all going in that same group. Do you know, I can see a little fly flying about down there, and he just won't land on the paper. I've got last 2 pellets. And that is another tiny little group. Yeah, all those groups are under 5 pence a piece. So what we got? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to take another 13 shots, 1 at each spare target. Four, 8, lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Right. This will make 63 shots. And I'm going to go for 1 shot on each bullseye target. Now we are shooting a bit low, I think. And that's shot right low. So if I come there, it looks like a good shot, that one. As I've said many times, we do have to rely on pellets. But if you were shooting for the rat's head, they're all kill shots. And it's not the scope, it's the way the pellets fly. That's another good shot. That's another good shot with that split paper. Many times I've said, just get on that target and pull that trigger. Just don't wait about aiming. Now I've got 2 more pellets left, but I think I miscounted how many targets we got down there. And that shot was me pulling the trigger too quick. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 targets left, so I'll take another 4 out of here. I'm really enjoying these sovereigns. And the person who told me about these, I thank very much, because they are shooting very, very well. Yeah. No complaints about these pellets whatsoever. They're all in the kill zone. So this is the last shot. Oh, I didn't take the centre one of there. We'll take a 5-shot group on that one. So we're over now 70 pellets. Yeah, this takes that over 70 pellets shot. So I don't want to use them all. Yeah, last shot. So this is also looks like a nice tidy group. So all the groups are well under 5p piece, and all the bullseyes have been taken, and there's quite a few direct bullseyes, you know, spot on bullseyes. There's one up there, 1, 2 on the second line, almost 3 on the third, almost 4 on the last line. Yeah, very, very good. Very good pellet. So I'm going to turn off. Yeah, we're all pleased with the Sovereigns, or Rangemaster Sovereign. For field target and hunting. Made in the Czech Republic. Very, very good. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, give the thumbs up, leave your comments, and I'll see you again tomorrow. And I've still got no teeth. See you later, bye.